good morning, and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook, brought to you by Binary.com.
The Federal Reserve is on track to raise interest rates twice more this year after a policy tightening last week. The euro-dollar has started the week quietly. It's also subdued on the release front, with no major releases on the schedule. Volkswagen's truck division aims to significantly increase its profitability this year amid deepening cooperation between the MAN and Scania brands. Nike is under positive pressure, with the stochastic signalling buy and the cumulative technical indicators coinciding. The euro-dollar pair's sleepiness is expected to be violently disturbed to the long side as the SSI shows heavy short positioning. The sterling-dollar pair resumes its positive trading to breach the 1.24 level and attempts to build a support base above it. The Aussie-dollar pair managed to hit the 0.7739 level and settled near it. We're waiting for it to confirm the breaching of this level to reinforce the bullish trend.
That's all for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook, brought to you by Binary.com. Sharp prices, smart trading.